Guys, what is going on? So you're looking to get into affiliate marketing, you're a beginner, and you're wanting to know what are the best programs out there? Like, how can I get started? What are the easiest ones to work with? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. So sit back, go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what else you're looking to learn in affiliate marketing. Watch this intro, and then we'll get right to it. All right, cool. So first of all, if it's your first time to the channel, welcome. My name is brooksconkle. If you don't already know me, and I'm an entrepreneur, I believe in multiple streams of income. I believe in hustling and creating multiple businesses. I love entrepreneurship. I absolutely love it. And I think we shouldn't just think outside the box. We should try to destroy the box. And so that is everything my channel is about. It's I would say it's all over the place, but it's really not. Everything, the common theme is about entrepreneurship, and whether it's marketing, real estate, personal finance, it's about generating multiple streams of income. So if you haven't already, think about subscribing to the channel, but let's talk about affiliate marketing today for beginners, right? So first of all, I'm assuming you already have the definition of what it is, right? You're referring people to businesses and you're getting paid for it. And it's happening through a link. But if you want more details, you can watch other videos that I have. But let's talk a little bit. So real quick, let me talk about the difference between affiliate networks and affiliate programs. So a network is going to be a company that that produces or works with individual companies. So you're signing up with this network, and then through that network, you can sign up for the individual companies. They're companies that are tracking the clicks, that are tracking the payments. They're doing it for the individual company rather than the individual company doing it on their own or having their own program. So when you're out there looking for things to sign up for, you're going to be looking for both networks and for direct affiliate programs. Now I'm just going to go ahead and hit you with the biggest program that you've probably already heard of, the Amazon Associates program. It's one of the oldest. It's one of the easiest to get going with. You sign up for it. You then start sending links to items, but the problem is that it's not very profitable, right? Like the rates that they pay out are really low, and they're always changing, understandably, because they're looking to refer different products, right? So like the Amazon, like the music program and different things. So you have to pay attention to the fine print and the payout and how it works, but it's definitely one of the easiest to get going with. All right, now let me talk about a few of the networks. And just so you know, if you're watching this on YouTube, a link to this full article, if you want to go through, scroll through, and you'll be able to see exactly what I'm talking about and click on links to go off to these different ones. I'm also not gonna necessarily talk about every one that's in the article. So if you want to see the full thing, click down below and I'll have the link to the article. But for affiliate network, so one of the big ones, old school, is called CJ. It's Commission Junction. You may have heard of it before. They own the domain, it's Commission Junction, but also CJ.com. So if you want to go there, you can check it out. It's definitely older in the industry, right? It's been in the industry of over 20 years, which to me has pros and cons. Pros are is that they have a lot of companies that they work and deal with. Cons are is that they're kind of a little bit antiquated in the software that they use, right? So some newer companies really coming on the scene that are a little bit easier to use, in my opinion. But that is one that you can check out. Another one that when you first go to it, I'll be honest, you'll be like, is this business legit? But they apparently run over 50% of all affiliate sales currently in the US. So like a little bit more than that. So they're the biggest, and it's called ShareASale. ShareASale.com. So that is a network. You can go on, you join the network, then you go through and join affiliate programs from there. Another that you may have heard of for digital products is ClickBank. You've probably heard that one a lot. If you haven't, go and check it out. The thing with ClickBank is that you have to go through and decide, is the product good? Do I trust this product? Whereas with these other networks, you could really be looking for companies that you already know, like, and trust, which on a side note, that's a huge kind of a pet peeve of mine is only advertising and promoting stuff just because it's maybe it'll pay you or it's profitable. You want to do research. You want to make sure that you're promoting good products and services and that they have a good business model and all that. So make sure that you're doing that first. But ClickBank, check them out. All right, next one I'm going to review is Rakuten, and I'm going to call it Rakuten. I really don't know how you pronounce it. I believe it's a Japanese company. They actually bought out, it's a really big international company. They bought out a company that I actually currently use called Ebates. They bought out this company, and what that company is it's almost like affiliate marketing that they share with you. Anytime I'm buying online, I just click a Chrome extension and it gives me a percentage of the purchase. And so that's what Ebates does. So Rakuten actually purchased them. But they have their own affiliate network that you can go in. Companies like Udemy work through Rakuten, and ton of other companies. All right, one of these newer ones that I'm talking about I feel like has really come on the scene lately. They may have been around sometime, but I like the way that they run and operate. Is Impact Radius. So you'll see when you go to a number of companies, and a little tip for you: when you're looking for affiliate programs, Google the company that you're looking for and just add affiliate program, referral program, or scroll to the bottom of their website, and oftentimes it'll be linked down at the bottom. But Impact Radius, so I found Impact by applying for companies directly, right? Like I was looking for companies, and it turns out that Impact Radius runs their program. Meaning that it's a network. I log in and I have multiple programs that are run through Impact Radius. So it's come on the scene, and I'm really liking that one. All right, time to switch gears a little bit. Let's go to individual companies. I know I mentioned Amazon at the very beginning, but let's go through some individual companies that I think have really good programs, recurring revenue, meaning they pay you every month as long as someone is a customer of theirs, etc. Those types of things. So the first one is Buzzsprout. It's a podcast hosting platform. It's actually who we use for our podcast, and they have a great affiliate program. So that's one. I'm gonna try to kind of rapid fire through these, and then I'll link to the article so that you can go through them if you want. The next one that fits that criteria is Thinkific. So it's an online course creation platform. Another one is Lead Pages, about creating landing pages. That's another good one that has recurring revenue. Teachable, again, another online course creation platform. GetResponse is an email marketing company. It's good. SEMrush is all about doing SEO research for keywords. So that's a good one. Aweber is another email program. Now, let me take a quick pause and tell you, the majority of these I have either been a customer or am a current customer. Not always, but because obviously I only need one email company, but like email marketing company. But many times I'm referring companies that I'm already a customer of, which I think is huge. I think it's really important. So next one is elegant theme. So my website runs on the DIVI theme, which is an elegant theme. I love it, and they have a great affiliate program. Canva, next company, recurring revenues. I make all of my graphics through Canva. I skipped a couple, so you have to go to my article, but yeah, well, not to force you, but just it's better anyway. So you can click and you can see all the visuals and click off to them and read the content, etc. So Udemy, which is an online course creation platform as well. They have their own referral program. ConvertKit, again, email marketing platform. That's actually who we currently use for one of our businesses. I actually switched to them from MailChimp recently, and we've been big fans of them. They also have a great affiliate marketing program that you can apply for. All right, now here's a few that don't necessarily have recurring. They're a little bit more one-off, but they're still great resources and great opportunities. One of those is Printful, a print-on-demand company where they're basically printing goods and then shipping them straight to the consumer. They have a great program for referring people. Tailor Brands, which I kind of stumbled upon but got kind of excited about their opportunity. Really neat for creating branding logos and creating those type items for yourself or for a customer. Envato, the Envato Market. That's a good one. Theme Isle, that's another themes affiliate program. They also have a solid program. The next one I'll move to is for web hosting. So BLUEHOST. I still use BLUEHOST on all my websites. I'm looking to adjust that, but they've really been great. I've enjoyed them, and so they also have a stellar affiliate program. They've been around a long time and have paid out a lot of money. All right, I'm gonna skip a couple. There's a couple more website hosting items. There's a domain name registrar that has an affiliate program. It's Namecheap. So domains are all similar prices, right? Whether you go to Namecheap or GoDaddy or whatever, but Namecheap has an affiliate program, so why not look at them, right? Then if you want to refer or talk about websites, some website affiliate programs, like if someone doesn't want to build their own website in WordPress and whatnot, Wix has a great affiliate program. Shopify, if someone's wanting to create an online store, has a great one. Weebly is another website builder that's great if someone doesn't want to do that. So I have more in this article, okay? That's not even the end of it, but if you want to, you can go to the article, you can read more. I'm happy to answer any questions about any of these programs or about affiliate marketing. Just comment down below. Happy to assist, whatever I can do. If you've gotten some value from this video, just do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button, like the video, because it'll help other people to be able to see it, so that we can let other people to be able to get educated and such. And if you haven't already, think about subscribing to the channel. Like, this is the kind of content that I put out. I'm really excited about it. I love getting to connect with you guys and learn what you're doing and what projects you're running. And yeah, I just look forward to talking to you guys. So we'll see you on the next video. Take care.